Hello, my name is Amy Bailey and I am an attorney here at Sivia Law, bringing you today's Trademark Tip Tuesday video on the topic of trademark classes. Now, when you're filing your application for your trademark, you will have to identify a specific group of goods or services that your mark is being used in connection with, and that is your trademark class. Now, there are different manuals that you can look at. There's either the ID manual or the International Schedule of Classes that you can use to identify this predetermined group of goods and services. Know that your application has to include at least one class, and for every class that you include, you will pay a higher fee.